Hey guys, it's Pauline. I picked up a couple of things from the December 3rd Coach drop, and they came in today, and so I thought I would share them with you. This is how one of my packages came, so I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that it is okay. Anyway, let's take a look at it. I barely had to open that one. And it is that material that'll get all everywhere. So let's see. Alright, so that one was kind of hanging on right there on the edge. It's a good thing it got caught into the tape here when they were closing the bag, or that might have fell out. Anyway, we got that. You can already tell what those are, and that. Alright. Okay, so since this is already pretty much open, let's go ahead and take a look at this. I am so glad that I was able to pick this up. So, I work at night, and so I was on it. When it first came out, I thought this was going to sell out, but I think these are still even available. Alright, so this is nice and soft. It's softer than the other ones. So, well, usually I think these are made out of canvas, but this one looks like it's made out of leather. And so that's neat. Look at the details in that. I'm so glad I was able to pick this up. I know some of their, this print, they said, actually has sequins in it. This one does not, but it has a glittery type material. And so that is really nice. So let's look at the inside. Okay. Alright. It is leather lined. Got the brand in there. I think there was one of these that actually had a creed, if I remember right. So, and then we got our horse and carriage over there in the corner. Really, really nice. I am super happy to have picked this up. Alright, so let's put that one to the side. And then this one, I think this is like a new thing that they did. Because I was going to get the little, the little miniature Rowan. But then I saw this, I was like, this might be better. And it was cheaper. I'll pick this up. It would have been nice if this was detachable. But this is going to be really nice for like lipsticks and stuff. Look how cute this is. I don't know what they designed this for, if it's for makeup or what, but that is what I'm probably going to use it for. You could use it as another card case, because it looks like it's just about that size. Really, really cute. I like this better than the September drop where we got the roses. I haven't worn my purse yet, but I plan to. Look how cute this is. Let's get in here. And it's a pouch. Wristlet, I guess. Cherry. It is fabric lined. Don't look like you have any other indications in there. There's no little tag or anything. There's no creed or tag. So, but I like this a lot. And I want to say this was like $35. I think that is a very good value. Alright, so I got that. And then I had to get the notebook. I thought the notebook was really cute. And I thought it was going to sell out. But I think these are still available. Alright. Look how pretty. Oh, she is adorable. Oops. Alright. Look how pretty. I love all the detail on this. I think these look a little like you got little tiny sequins in there. It looks a little different than this. Yeah, I think this one looks a little different. Nice. Alright, so we got the standard notebook in here. So this is the outlet notebook. It doesn't have that clear piece that's usually in front of the retail one. I don't know why you need that anyway. But look how pretty. And I like that it's got that dark currant like color on the inside. I'm really happy with this. Look how cute. It's so pretty. All right, so that is what I got with that one. I do have another package, but I am going to do a separate video on that. So y'all join me on that one if you're interested. Let's see. All right, so we got the name embossed in this one. All right, so I will talk to y'all later. Bye.